Here's another quick video on how to make mashed potatoes from a pouch for idiots. It's very simple, hence why you shouldn't even have to watch this video. So what you have is you have a cup and a half of water in a pot and 2 tablespoons of margarine. And you're going to turn your burner onto max and you're going to wait for it to start to boil. Okay, now that your water and margarine are boiling, you're going to add a half cup of milk. Then you're going to add the contents of your pouch. And you're going to take it off of the heat, turn off your burner so you don't burn your house down. Then you're just going to whisk it together until it's nice and properly mixed. Now you're just going to put the lid back on and let it sit for a couple minutes before you eat it. And that's all that it takes. It's very simple, and therefore you should have just read the box instead of watched this video.